Good evening, friends. Namaste. And Janmashtami is also reaching very near. So, congratulations and greetings for Janmashtami also. So, today, what we are going to discuss in this Facebook Live series on unanswered questions with our revered guest. So, today, as all you know, we have our revered guest, Mr. Shivam sir. Today's topic is most of you, it is well known because all the youngsters or maybe kids also nowadays this is the lockdown period and especially in the COVID-19 period, those who are even not accustomed to use mobile, they are using and they are becoming addicted to this Netflix series and blah blah blah, different sorts of the thing. So nowadays the burning thing, or recently this movie came, this movie was released on the Netflix, that is Krishna and his Leela. So we are going to review and take some points from the movie. So sir is with us. So basically what we are going to discuss is that movie is Krishna is Leela. So what is this Krishna and his Leela? Krishna and his Leela, okay, Krishna is there, his Leela is there. So what type of Leela he is doing? Is he lifting Govardhan hill? Is he killing some demons in the very little small age of the kid? Is he doing that? No. Then what he is doing? He is doing his Leela. What type of Leela? So all you know, I am not going to tell what type of Leela he has been showing, he has been shown doing in this Netflix series. Okay. So sir is there, he will take this. Okay. Sir, Shivam sir, our viewers are here, our friends are here, and they may be eagerly waiting for this. And maybe most of the viewers, they will get some good, they will take something good from this video. And okay, so let's start.
Oh, thank you, Arjun, for inviting me. I'm very happy to be here again. So today we are going to review a movie, Krishna
Yes.
and his Leela. So first of all, I will talk about little bit about Netflix. Like it's trending. It's a trending because people are captivated inside their houses because of this current pandemic situations, COVID-19. So they have to spend their time because they are so much frustrated inside, so they want some content to watch to just to spend their time. So Netflix is one of the very uh, trending social media site where people they are investing their lot of time. So this movie is also a trending movie in Netflix content, and if you'll go through that,
So
you'll find
one thing.
yeah.
One thing, I was coming from some place to my home after visiting one of my friend in Jaipur, and I was so much obsessed by observing one person sitting next to me. What he was doing is he was having very nice mobile. Okay, so I was observing him for 45 minutes. What he was doing is he was opening WhatsApp, then seeing the status of some of his friends, then closing the whole app, then going to another app, then using it for 30 seconds, then again coming to WhatsApp for 30 seconds, then again going to YouTube for 30 seconds, then again coming to WhatsApp for the 30 seconds and sharing the video with one of his friends, maybe very favorite, and then using some different kind of things in the mobile, doing sliding, scrolling, and this, that. So once he closed his mobile and put it in pocket, then I thought this guy now is not going to use his mobile throughout the journey. But the whole journey he was doing like that. So I think nowadays people, they are even losing to pursue their hobbies and passion. Nobody's
Yeah.
interested, especially nobody's interested in the classical music, gardening, etc., etc. So this is also one of the effects. This pandemic has come. Okay, pandemic has its own effects, but still in the subtle form there are many bad effects it is leaving. Okay,
Yeah,
continue.
definitely. Like our prime ministers also, or different ministers, they have recommended, even institutes, they have been recommending. Like I'm from IIT Indore, so there, I'm also getting some mails from my institute. Like we should invest our time in these type of creative things, like doing yoga or making some paintings, or means doing lots of different activities, not spending all your time in laptops playing PUBG and watching movies and all. So this is the thing which we should do. So I will not talk about all these things today. We'll be reviewing
Yes,
this
yes,
movie.
yes.
Yeah.
We have
So
early.
yeah. So we were talking about Netflix. So, this was one of the trending movie, also trending content of Netflix. And if you'll go through that, you'll find that most of the things which are trending in Netflix is either means related to porn or semi-porn, because this is what people want to see nowadays. This is what means their mentality is. That's why
Yes, yes.
these producers and directors, they are investing their hard-earned money in, not hard-earned,
Sure.
just be fooling the people, and they are earning money. So they are investing in this type of content. So we will go through this, the title itself and the movie now. And I talked about this Netflix.
Yes, yes.
So this movie, in this movie, like there is a person named Krishna, and he's having affairs with two girls at a time. He's having physical relationship with him, with those two girls, and then at the last, means he's proposing another girl. So this is what this, if you go through the philosophy of this movie also, so there also you find like the people nowadays in a relationship also, they want, like, whenever things are going well, like the sexual relationships or their emotional demands are getting fulfilled, so they are going with that relationships. Otherwise they are going for breakups. So this is what not a relationship is meant for. Relationship is basically meant for what? Adjustment, commitment, and sacrifices. If you are not going to have in a
Yes,
relationship these three things, like you are not means able to adjust yourself as per your partner's need or demand. You are not going for any type of sacrifice for him or her. And this is basically the things. You are not committed to your partner, and then definitely it's not a love, it's just a vasna, you say na, that lust.
as
Yeah,
being a very at a grown age, you also may have this experience, and I especially have this experience, like our parents or some old elder persons, like maybe 50 or 55. So in some of the families, maybe parents means the wife and husband age, I'm talking about the 50 to 55 age group. So they may
yeah,
be having some disagreement between each other, but still they have not left each other. Why? Because they took it as this relationship, they are taking it as the responsibility, not just for the enjoyment. They are looking towards their children's, towards their responsibilities. So still maybe they are not enjoying each other's association, and they are having a large amount of the disagreement between each other, but still they are not leaving. So yes, that's very
yeah.
important.
You made a very nice point here, that this love and this marriage, it's a responsibility. It's not just like for making fun out of it. And if you are continuing in making fun out of it, then okay, go with it. Otherwise, just go for breakup. So
Yes,
if you are not feeling that responsibility, then definitely it's not a love, it's just a lust, that vasana. So you cannot means on the basis of this content which this movie is promoting, it's not promoting a love, it's just a lust, vasna, the content which has shown in this movie. Like at one time, definitely you might have this type of attraction. Whenever you saw a beautiful lady, you may have that attraction, but definitely we are living in a society where we have to practice this sanyam in our life. We have to be disciplined, and we have to control our mind, we have to control our desires. You cannot go means like today you are with someone, tomorrow you are going with someone. That is not a commitment, that is not a love, it's a lust. So you cannot go like that, because you are living in a society. If you are a responsible citizen. So nowadays these type of things are very much trending, and like people, I have seen like in social media also, the people, they have been criticizing a lot our culture, or Sanatan Dharma traditions. They have a lot to speak, and like so many bad things we have. They might not be going through the right source where they should, but they know nothing about our culture, but they have a lot to say, like what ill it has in it. So this is our misfortune where we are going through, where our modern generation is going through. So definitely we are not going in the right direction where we should go. So this is like, I have been observing a lot of people, a lot of youths in my social media account, also in Facebook, Insta, and Twitters also. like regarding the social media, I got to remember one point.
Yes, yes.
Like regarding this movie only, a famous journalist of Hindustan Times, she commented like this content regarding this movie, that Krishna was like that, he was like woman hunter, or he was means like he was she was relating that the character of Krishna, one who means like going for women's, and one who has having lusty desires, or one who is having uh, pornographic mentality. So this is what means he commented later on. Because of pressure, so many people they raised this concern. So this Hindustan Times, they suspended temporarily that journalist from their channel. But definitely they are not that much concerned about our culture, about otherwise they would have suspended her permanently also from job. So this is what where we are going through. The journalist of Hindustan Times, they are commenting, they are not going. And she was mentioning that she has been through this these mythologies,
Mythology.
this
Yes,
means,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
they take it as a mythology. So
Mythology.
I don't know, like they haven't gone through the right source from where they should learn all these things. They are taking it as a mythology, and they're saying that they have been gone through that, and they are
Yes.
commenting
And
commenting like that.
sir,
Yeah,
your point is very relevant. That how you're saying that they are not going to write or proper sources. Yes, that is right. How? Because they are showing Krishna as a character, and they are showing about his Leela. Means they are considering Krishna as a character. Means some
yeah,
person, Krishna is there. They believe that Krishna is there. But who is Krishna? What is actually he? What does he do? That they don't know properly. That's the only, I think. Yes.
yeah, I will come on that point also later on, because now I'm talking about this movie and the content related to that. I will talk about the title itself also, which is related to Krishna and his leelas. I will talk about that also. That like this, the title was basically the thing which was making this movie trending. Otherwise, the content is so bad that you cannot even watch this movie if you have watched. I haven't watched, but the reviews I have been through, or the like trailer I have seen. So you cannot even watch this movie. The content is so bad, but the title itself was means attracting the people, their attraction. So I'll talk about that title also later on. Like the people, like I was mentioning about the source, like Deepika Padukone, like another web series like Bulbul. Bulbul came in Netflix, and I don't know whether it was in Netflix or Amazon Prime, but it has also raised some controversial point regarding Krishna, because they are not going through the right sources. Like another thing which I wanted to quote regarding this, and another movie like Deepika Padukone is producing Mahabharat. In that Mahabharat, they have like the writer has written on his I don't know whether his or her, whether who is the writer, but the thing which I got to know, like she's mentioning like the Draupadi is having love affairs with Kamsa, and she's having some fantasies also. So they are showing some that lusty fantasies also, and between Draupadi and this Kamsa.
Oh
So
my.
we haven't heard this type of content like the Mahabharat we have seen in television, which is basically the main thing for that is entertainment. That is also not a bona fide
Yes.
content. There also we haven't means got to know all such things, but they are making such type of content. So this is what, and people, they are watching this movie, and then they are means getting their intelligence and their mind fed with all such things, and then they are speaking so many ill about our culture, about the people, and they are saying it as a mythology and so many things. So these are the people that people should seek for a right source. If
Yes.
you really want to know about Krishna and his Leelas, then definitely you should go through Srimad Bhagavatam. And I wanted to go through and now the next part, which I was saying, that Krishna and his Leela. Like I mentioned Srimad Bhagavatam. So if you'll go in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, so there you'll get to know that who Krishna is. And all his pastimes from the very childhood has been very, very, very nicely has been depicted by Sut Goswami and Sukadev Goswami. Basically, in the beginning, Sut Goswami is now narrating that same Srimad Bhagavatam in Pulasthasram. So Sukadev Goswami is narrating pastime to Parikshit Maharaj, everything in very details, how he has done so many wonderful activities in his childhood, where a child cannot think of, even you cannot imagine of all such things in that age. He's killing so many big demons. So he's lifting a hill. We cannot even lift a rock in that
Yes.
age. Now
Nowadays,
also we cannot do
lifting
that.
25 kg bag is quite difficult. But today's 20 years old guy.
Yeah. So if you really want to know who Krishna is, then definitely you should go through the literatures like Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, and Krishna is speaking Bhagavad Gita. 5,000 years back, he has spoken such a brilliant knowledge. Nowadays, people, they are accepting that knowledge, they are appreciating it, they are practically implementing that knowledge in their fields, and they are getting benefited. So you know, they are criticizing such a person whom they haven't been gone through,
Yes.
about whom they haven't studied anything, and they are saying something. They are making movies, they are releasing content on social medias regarding that. So this is a very, very misfortunate condition of our society. And definitely some people, they are raising concerns also, like regarding this movie also. So many people, they tweeted in Twitter, like we should ban this type of content, this type of movies. Like Sarleen Kaur recently, she's a stand-up comedian. She commented about our religion, some bad, and then, like they're relating it with pornography. Like people, their mindset is what they want to hear such content.
But
so
sir,
you cannot speak ill.
If
Yeah.
someone is not the part of the solution, then obviously he's the part of the problem. So maybe they may be having issues or concern over these issues, but still they are also not in the proper knowledge, or they are also not following the proper resources. So anyway, it's not completely like they are doing okay.
Yeah, definitely. That's why I'm saying that they should go through a proper source, a proper like where a bona fide source where they can get the knowledge in real, and then they can say something. They can share that experience. That's why the people, those are appreciating this type of knowledge. Those are having some appreciation for our culture, for our tradition. At least they should read and they should tell to the peoples whom they know personally, and they should share that content also. And definitely, if it is not going to benefit someone else, it will be beneficial for you, for yourself. So definitely people should read such books like Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, and so many other Puranas, Upanishads. If it is not basically a big thing, at least you can go for Bhagavad Gita, and you can realize that who Krishna is, what kind of knowledge that is. And you know, so many people, they are commenting on Krishna that he was an ordinary person, he was having sexual relationship with so many people. They are not able to appreciate that personality. Then who you are, who the hell you are, who are commenting on that personality? Like the Vyasadev, at least we can appreciate that person who has written so many, who has compiled so many literatures. Like today, even the scientists, they are reading and they are appreciating that content. That who the person, definitely the one who has written it, he is a very great personality. So Vyasadev, he is saying that Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, wherever Krishna is speaking, so he's not saying like wherever Arjun is speaking, he's saying Arjun Uvacha. But wherever Krishna is speaking, he's not saying like Krishna Uvacha, he's saying Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. So Vyasadeva is saying that Krishna is Sri Bhagavan. He is Bhagavan. And you know, if you'll go through different other sources also, like Brahma Samhita, there also this Lord Brahma, he's also saying Iswara Parama Krishna Sakchidananda Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karan Karanam. He's
Yes.
also mentioning Lord Krishna as Supreme Personality. He's saying that he is the cause of every causes. So, we are not reading all such books. We are like, we may be having appreciation for all these people, but we when we go through content which is related to that particular topic, so definitely you have to go through that source of knowledge also. So you should read Bhagavad Gita, you should read Brahma Samhita, you should read Srimad Bhagavatam if you really want to know who Krishna is. Then you should go on making movies on Krishna. And like the title which was telling, so first of all, you like initially you mentioned that you might be thinking of his leelas, means like
Yes,
Krishna
yes,
lifting Govardhan, or Krishna is killing so many demons at the age of, means like 5 or 7 or
yes.
11.
5 or 7, yes.
Yeah. So we might be thinking of such thing, but in that movie that there was a content in that, means a boy who was having this type of mentality that he was not getting sexual satisfaction, so he was getting in love with at a time in love with so many people, and now we are relating it with Krishna. Now we are not able to uh, actually we are not, means able to find out what type of content we are promoting in our society, where we are heading ourselves in a society, what type of society we are going to raise, what type of environment, what type of culture we are going to give to our younger generation. We are not, means going to give them this type of teachings where they can have a commitment, adjustment, and this responsibility in their relationships. So definitely it's not a right thing where we are going through, where this like the social media and Netflix, Amazon Prime, the content they are promoting. So definitely we should try our best to ban all such content. At least we should not watch all these things, and we should prohibit others also to not to go through such content, and they should go through some bona fide sources to read about Krishna and who he is, and then we should spread awareness like this.
Sir, okay, we are heading towards, I think we are heading towards end. So
Yeah.
to conclude, and the one question I have for the viewers or the interested seekers, that what is wrong to have a relationship with the, like in the today's society we have this concept of live-in relationship. So what is wrong? The funda is, what is wrong with having multiple relationships or establishing multiple relationships? Like it's well,
See,
it's well clear. Yes.
see the basic funda which I have mentioned, that a relationship is meant for sacrifice. A relationship is meant for commitment. A relationship is meant for responsibility. And if you are having multiple relationships, and like a live-in relationship, sometimes people they do because they make fun out of it. They don't want to take responsibility. They don't want to get married. So that is not a right concept. This marriage, that's why this marriage concept is there, and so that you can feel that responsibility. You can become a responsible citizen, you can become a responsible member of your family. That if you are not having that responsibility, then definitely you cannot contribute positively in any of the respect. Like you cannot contribute positively in a society, you can contribute in a nation, you cannot contribute in a world. So if you want to positively contribute, definitely the sense of responsibility should be there, sense of commitment should be there. Definitely in any of the company, if you don't have this type of thing, commitment, responsibility, and you don't want to sacrifice wherever there is a need, even a company where also you have to make that relationship. If you're not having such thing in your behavior, then definitely you are not going to be a permanent member of that company. You are not going to get benefited by the lifetime achievements of those that company. So definitely these things are very much important. And if you are having multiple relationships, then definitely you are running out of your responsibility, you are running out of a commitment, you are running out of your sacrifice, you are running out of your responsibility. So definitely you are not going to contribute positively in either of the respects. So If you want to really have a relationship, be committed, be responsible, and wherever there is a need for sacrifice, go for it. These are the things which I wanted to mention as a conclusion.
Okay. So, okay, friends. So this is the thing that very common thing nowadays. Earlier, the child before going to school, going out, he used to touch the feet of his elders, right? So that was the custom. Okay, this is not the custom actually. That is not just a dogmas. Sometimes you may think that touching feet, what does it mean? Does it make any sense? Yes, it makes sense, because we don't have time in this video. We will take it in another videos or another live session. Okay, so be ready for that. And another thing is, as much as possible, share this video. Okay, there are different categories of the persons. Some may be critical, some may be giving critic reviews also. No problem at all. Okay, because in this India we have right of the expression, so they can say anything. But those who are really interested, if they have more queries, more relevant queries, those who are actually seeking for such type of queries and answers, they can post on our Facebook page after viewing this video, after watching this video, and we will review the comments, we will review whatever message we will get through personal media, and then we will take the sessions. Okay, these sessions are purely to help the people, those who are actually wanting help. Okay, so thank you so much. Be ready for the next live session day after tomorrow. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Arjun, and thank you all viewers for watching patiently, and thank you very much for inviting me again in this platform. I'm really very glad to come here again and again and to share my experiences, whatever I have read from various scriptures like Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, which I basically go through. So I'm very glad and I'm very happy to
thank you, sir.
Be here. Thank you, Arjun, for inviting me.
Thank you, sir. Okay, friends, be at home, stay safe, take all precautions. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.